Number 1.
1992 Chevrolet S10, price $7,600, finished in blue with a matching blue interior. This gasoline-powered pickup has 77,000 original miles. It runs and drives like new, offering dependable performance, excellent fuel economy, and the versatility expected from a classic four-wheel drive truck. Everything on the truck functions as intended, including the gauges, lights, and other electrical components, reflecting the level of care it has received over the years. The only noted issue is that the air conditioning could benefit from an R12 recharge, but otherwise the truck is ready to be enjoyed. It is powered by a 4.3L engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission and a recently installed clutch, providing strong performance and a responsive driving experience. Combining originality, reliability, and classic styling, this S10 is an excellent choice for collectors or anyone looking for a dependable vintage compact pickup.
Number 2.
1993 Ford F350, price $10,995, powered by a proven 460 V8 gasoline engine paired with a desirable 5-speed manual transmission. With 189,000 miles on the odometer, it features a classic brown exterior matched with a clean tan interior, giving it a timeless appearance. The truck comes with a clean Montana title and has been well preserved. As a solid Montana truck, it benefits from a remarkably sturdy body and undercarriage, showing the strength and durability these trucks are known for. The engine runs strong, the transmission shifts smoothly, and the truck drives exceptionally well, providing a confident and enjoyable driving experience. Power windows and power door locks add everyday convenience, while its overall condition reflects careful ownership and maintenance.
Number 3.
1987 Ford F250, price $8,750, with just 77,000 original miles. It is equipped with an automatic transmission and features a brown exterior paired with a matching brown interior, giving it a classic and timeless appearance. Having remained with its original owner and always been kept in the Northwest, this truck has been exceptionally well cared for throughout its life. The truck is 100% rust-free and starts, runs, drives, and presents beautifully. Its honest condition and originality make it an increasingly rare find, offering an excellent opportunity for collectors or anyone looking for a dependable classic Ford pickup that has been carefully maintained.
Number 4.
1998 Chevrolet 1500, price $10,000, powered by a dependable 5.7L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. With just 141,000 miles, it features a black exterior matched with a gray interior, giving the truck a timeless and rugged appearance. It runs and drives great, offering strong performance both on the road and off the beaten path. Backed by a clean title, this truck has clearly been maintained and is ready for its next owner. The exterior has been treated to a fresh coat of paint and would benefit from a professional cut and buff to bring out its full shine. It comes equipped with several desirable upgrades, including remote start for added convenience, a dual exhaust system that enhances both sound and performance, an aftermarket stereo for improved entertainment, and eye-catching 20-inch wheels that give the truck a more aggressive stance. Combining low mileage, reliable mechanical condition, and tasteful upgrades, this Chevrolet 1500 is a solid, clean pickup that is ready to be driven and enjoyed.
Number 5.
2002 Chevrolet S10, price $7,600, showing 104,000 miles with an automatic transmission and a reliable 4.3-liter Vortec gasoline engine. Finished in red, this garage-kept, rust-free truck features a 5-inch body and suspension lift, heavy-duty shocks, a recent alignment, method racing wheels, and like-new 265/70 or 16 NATO Terra Grappler tires, delivering an excellent ride and confident handling. The interior and exterior show very little wear and are complemented by a Pioneer DVD audio system with Bluetooth, JBL speakers, a Kicker L5 subwoofer and amplifier, WeatherTech floor mats, a motorized self-charging phone holder, and BeamTech LED lighting. Additional highlights include a GM full bedliner, ice-cold air conditioning, and a matching bed cap that has only a few minor scratches. The only known issue is a small oil drip near the rear of the engine, but overall this S10 presents as a clean, well-equipped, and highly cared-for truck.
Number 6.
2000 Ford Ranger, price $4,800. It has been driven approximately 140,000 miles. It is equipped with a reliable automatic transmission and a gasoline engine, while its blue exterior is paired with a clean gray interior. It also comes equipped with cold air conditioning, power windows, and power locks, making it a comfortable and dependable daily driver. The vehicle has been consistently maintained on schedule and is known for its fuel efficiency. The interior remains well kept, with no rips or tears in the seats, and the mileage is considered reasonable for its age, leaving plenty of life left in the truck. While it does show some cosmetic imperfections and normal wear and tear expected from a vehicle of this age, it remains a solid, reliable, and great running pickup overall.
Number 7. 2003 GMC Sierra 1500, price $5,800, powered by a reliable 5.3L V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. It has 158,000 original miles, a white exterior, and a tan leather interior. The truck runs and drives great, with ice-cold AC, hot heat, and good Firestone tires. It has an intermittent EVAP check engine light and a minor rear main seal leak. The interior is in good condition with leather seats, a flip-up center console, and a Bluetooth stereo, although the headliner sags slightly and the AC fan only works on high speed. The body is straight and rust-free, with only minor dents and scratches from normal use. Number 8.
1999 Toyota Tacoma, price $5,500. It has 319,000 miles, an automatic transmission, a white exterior, and a gray interior. It runs great with no mechanical issues, and the frame is in excellent condition with no significant rust. The truck is equipped with an aftermarket touchscreen, Bluetooth, an upgraded sound system, and a 10-inch subwoofer with an amplifier. The heating and air conditioning work well, and the front brake pads have recently been replaced. The temperature control dial and tailgate latch need repair, and a small air leak keeps the check engine light on, but it does not affect the truck's performance or reliability.
Number 9. 1997 Toyota Tacoma, price $4,500, powered by a dependable 3.4L V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission. It has an odometer reading of over 310,000 miles, although the actual mileage is unknown. Finished in a turquoise exterior with a gray interior and powered by gasoline, the truck starts easily, runs strong, and does not produce any noticeable smoke. It has since received several important repairs, including a Freedom Racing spark plug thread repair on the one-cylinder, a new set of NGK spark plugs, a new heat and AC blower motor, a new passenger side exterior door handle, a new tailgate handle, new plenum gaskets, and a clean throttle body. The timing belt has also been inspected and remains in good condition. It still requires some additional attention, including front suspension work, AC repairs, and interior restoration. Despite these remaining needs, there are no known issues that are expected to leave the vehicle stranded or result in catastrophic mechanical failure. Number 10.
2000 Mazda B4000, price $2,800, powered by a 4.0L V6 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission and has been driven 204,000 miles. Finished in burgundy with a gray interior, this extended cab 4WD pickup comes equipped with a canopy/topper, a tow hitch, and a clean, well-kept interior. Recent maintenance includes a new battery along with new spark plugs and wires. It is important to note that the transmission has an issue and will not engage in reverse, and the hood shows some paint fading. Aside from these known concerns, it offers a capable four-wheel drive system and useful features that make it well suited for everyday driving, light hauling, or outdoor activities.